In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paraphrase in Grammarly. Whether you're working on an academic paper, a business report, or simply trying to enhance a personal email, knowing how to effectively paraphrase your text can be invaluable. So let's walk through the process together. To begin, you'll want to open Grammarly. You can start with a fresh document or, if you have one ready, open your existing document where you wish to make changes. The flexibility here allows you to work seamlessly with your ongoing projects or start something new. Once your document is open and ready, the next step is to enter the text you'd like to paraphrase. You can either type it out if it's something fresh you're working on, or paste it directly from another source. This step is straightforward, but it's vital to ensure that the text you're about to work on is correct, as it sets the foundation for the paraphrasing process. After entering your text, you'll need to decide which specific part you wish to reword. Highlight the sentence or paragraph that you're targeting for a fresh expression. The highlighting effectively signals to Grammarly which portion of the text requires attention. Next, you'll click on the Paraphraser tool. It's a handy feature provided by Grammarly designed to assist in rephrasing content efficiently while maintaining the original context. When you select this option, the tool will offer various paraphrase suggestions for the highlighted text. Grammarly also allows for style customization, so choose the writing style that best fits your needs at this point. Whether you need something more formal, relaxed, or straightforward, this tool offers a range of styles to cater to different tones and audiences. This is particularly useful if you're tailoring the content for a specific readership or purpose. Once you've reviewed the provided options, click to apply the paraphrase that resonates most with your objective. Each suggestion is carefully crafted to retain the original message while offering a nuanced alternative. Selecting the right version ensures your text communicates exactly what you intend. Finally, if you have more text that requires rephrasing, simply repeat the process. Highlight the new section, click on the paraphraser, select your style, and apply. With practice, you'll find this process becomes intuitive, allowing you to quickly and confidently reword text across various types of documents. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you're now equipped to effectively paraphrase in Grammarly. This tool not only enhances your writing, but also broadens your vocabulary, offering fresh perspectives on your text. Whether you're striving for clarity, originality, or simply a different expression, Grammarly's paraphrasing feature is a valuable ally in your writing toolkit. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.